Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free Moonlight Crystals in Heartopia. Here's a super easy way. So, Moonlight Crystals, it looks like this. This is a very important currency in Heartopia, especially if you want to buy limited items from the cart. Like, for example, in here you can buy any clothes and on here, and then furniture, limited furniture like this, and then building materials. Also, you can also buy the several rare collectible on here. Many special items like this can only be purchased using these crystals, but the good news is you can actually get it for free. And to get it, first just tap on the globe icon, and then next just tap guild sign in like this, and then in this menu you will see several daily rewards on here. And on certain day you can receive a crystal at the day 1, day 3, day 5, and day 7. And here's the best part: on the Saturday or on the weekend rewards, you can get 50 Moonlight Crystal on here. Just claim on here every week. So don't forget to log in daily and then claim your rewards, and that's how you can get the free Moonlight Crystal in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!